Hey, what's up, guys? So in this video today, I just wanted to talk quickly about audio video to HDMI adapter, which is this. There's different ones you could buy. They're relatively cheap, like on Amazon and stuff. And I just want to talk about what it is, why you might need one. So for the younger generation, we didn't always have HDMI. We had products before HDMI that required RCA, and it's like, the white, yellow, and black. Or I mean, white, what is it? Yeah, white, yellow, and red, I mean, cable. But anyways, so the reason you might want one of these things is because, like I said, like older things, older cameras, they had RCA cables. Super Nintendo, basically any video game console, but like PS2 and below, they all used RCA cables, right? So nowadays you can't really play those consoles on the TV because they only have HDMI inputs and outputs. They don't have RCA inputs or outputs or whatever. So the way to bypass that and to be able to play like those older consoles or to be able to use older devices that require RCA is to get one of these adapters. So this is how this one looks out of the box. It's called Gana Mini. My buddy, like he bought one and then he bought another one, so he just gave me this one because he knows I'm like a retro nerd. But basically, it's this little box. That's what it looks like. It says upscale to 1080p. You have your output here, which is HDMI. So that's going to go from your TV into here. And then your older console or whatever camera is you're going to plug it into here. And then at the side here, it has a USB cable that they provide you with. And I believe that this actually requires power for it to work. So that's why that is there. And then right next to that, it gives you a little switch. I don't know if it can zoom in or focus, probably not. But there's a little switch there that goes from 720p to 1080p. So you could switch that on and off depending on what you want. I don't think it's going to make much of a difference if you switch it from 720p to like 1080p if you're running Super Nintendo or something, because their crap was only like, I don't even think it was 480p. You know what I mean? But that's what you get. The other thing that you get in the package is basically just this cable, which is the USB cable to plug into there. You don't get no outlet or anything for it. And then I just got like this like 3 years warranty free card and like, I don't know, like some thank you note and stuff like that. But anyway, so what you're gonna do, like I said, you plug your things there, you plug this into the TV, and then you plug this into the side. And I don't know if you can plug it into your computer, if that would be enough power, but I would use like a phone charger outlet. So that's pretty much what this is, just so you can like, use your older devices. I'm going to make another video actually trying my Super Nintendo on my new TV that doesn't have an RCA input or output to see if this actually works. So before I do that, I just wanted to make this video explaining what this device is. And yeah, you can find them on Amazon, anywhere. So if you guys are nostalgic video game nerds like me and you don't have these outputs on your TV, you only have HDMI, but you want to play something with these outputs, then buy one of these things, an audio video to HDMI converter. Hope that helps. Make sure to check out the next video of me testing it out on my Super Nintendo and subscribe for more videos like this. All right, peace.